Sir Cliff Richard is on his second day in court after taking legal action against the BBC for their live coverage of the search of his property. It followed an allegation of a historical offence made against him by a man in 2013. Sir Cliff has always denied the accusation and in 2016 was told by prosecutors that he would face no charges. The singer is now seeking damages, and the BBC stated its coverage of the raid was accurate and in good faith, and said they always reported his full denial of the allegations at every stage. And as he spoke in the BBC trial today, he broke down as he told a High Court judge about the effect that the broadcaster's coverage of a police raid on his home had on him. "It was shocking and upsetting," he said in his witness statement. The star also said, "My health suffered, both mentally and physically." He added, "At one point, I actually thought I was going to have a heart attack or stroke." Sir Cliff got choked up as he listed a number of countries where he claims his reputation was damaged. While giving evidence in the High Court against BBC and Emotional, Sir Cliff told the court his reputation had been affected in countries including Holland, Portugal, Hong Kong, and Singapore, stating, "Everywhere I have ever been, I felt my name was smeared. The police didn't do that. The BBC did." The Mistletoe and Wine chart topper also said he feels forever tainted as he spoke about the impact the broadcast had on him. "I felt as though everything I had worked for during my life, trying to live as honestly and honorably as I could, was being torn apart," he said. Mr. Justice Mann began overseeing a trial at the High Court in London yesterday. The musician previously said he suffered profound and long-lasting damage as a result of the BBC coverage and wants damages. When Sir Cliff left court after the first day of proceedings yesterday, reporters asked him how the day had gone. "Very good, thank you," he replied, before climbing into a taxi. Lawyers representing the BBC told the judge the raid was a matter of public interest and contributed to public debate. Sir Cliff's lawyers have told the High Court that BBC's coverage was a very serious invasion of his privacy. Barrister Justin Rushbrook QC, who is leading Sir Cliff's legal team, told the judge in a written statement, "It is hard to encapsulate in word the sense of panic and powerlessness that must have been induced in him on August 14, 2014, when he realized that the BBC were relaying instantaneously and indiscriminately around the world highly sensitive and damaging information concerning himself, all based upon an allegation of serious criminal conduct which he knew to be entirely false." Sir Cliff previously said South Yorkshire Police, who conducted the raid, settled their dispute in May last year. The force subsequently apologized wholeheartedly for the additional anxiety caused by their initial handling of the media interest in their investigation.